Hi guys, this is 2009 Toyota Hilux. So I'm doing today how to replace for the Immobilizer key ECU. So pulled out the dashboard completely, the top part. So you can see in here the amplifier, the key coil. So we have to this amplifier when the key is installed in ignition key cylinder, key coil receive the key code. Then amplifier amplifies the ID code and output into the transponder key ECU. So this key coil to the send to the immobilizer ECU for the signal and the key code. So you can show you in the dashboard. Okay, this is the receiver door control and the immobilizer key ECU, the transponder key behind the dash. You can see in here. It's a bit hard to take it out. Okay. This is the immobilizer key ECU in Hilux. You can see the immobilizer ECU. You have to take it out in the connector. So this is the new part. We got the part number in here. So we're going to replace the new transponder key ECU because this one had a problem, the stolen key, so maybe lost. So we have to cut the key and program it and replace the immobilizer ECU with the new one. Okay, we already plug in back in. We have to install our in here. Very hard to see, and install the 10 millivolt over here. So we already installed the new transponder key ECU immobilizer. So we have to, after next, we have to cut the key and program it. So that's the end of the video. We see you in the next one.